Alright YouTube, in the last video, the way it ended, everything was, I got it running, but one of them, there was two problems. One I mentioned in the video, one I saw after I watched the video. Governor was not working, like it was just, I don't know, everything, looks like it's tight, everything's tight enough, but it wasn't working. The other thing, despite the fact that this is freewheeling, which seems very easy, if you watch the video, when I shut it down, you see this thing stop, and all of a sudden you see this. So you know, it was, I'm pretty sure it was spinning, so I don't know why. I mean, it seems like it's freewheeling pretty easy. I mean, this is one finger. So maybe what I'll do is I'll just take it off and throw a little, clean it a little bit, and then maybe throw a little bit, try to see if I can get some graphite or something into it. So that's my plan for today. All right, well, I tried to get the clutch starter clutch off, and I just, I'm freezing, it's freezing out here today. It's I don't know, it's like 15 degrees out, my hands are freezing. So I said, well, let me just start it up and take a look at it. I cleaned some, because I sprayed a little liquid wrench in the center to try to see if I can get it out, and I'm like, well, let me just clean up. There's all schmutz and stuff on the face of that, and dirt and stuff, so maybe that's causing it to bind, because it was pretty much, it was, like I said, it was going on its own. I don't understand why it was binding. And then maybe this was a little too tight over here, so I said, okay, let me just try it again. I started up and it actually worked perfectly. So I was like, okay, one problem down, let me try this. So I said, so let me look at the governor, and what I noticed on the governor was the pulley was spinning. Like I wasn't, I didn't have it jammed, I might not have had it jammed in hard enough. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just go back and start it up, and let me set the camera up and restart it and see if I jack this over and loosen this bolt, push this in heavier so it's really pushing on it, and hopefully that's it. So let me just set the camera up, and we'll try starting it again. I want to do this quick because my hands are freezing. that didn't seem to work. I thought it was at first, but what it was is the choke was on full and it was just running. It wasn't moving at all. And then as soon as I put the choke on, as you can see, it's just holding a steady idle. And when I pull the governor back, it seems to slow down. So, well, time to tackle that when it's warmer, because my hands are freezing. So, talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.